playing that Dark Souls 2, 3, 2. This is definitely 3. No. Everyone knows that you can't just walk up to a random transform like that. Can you just stop moving? I would love it if you just stopped moving. Just move you away from the wall right quick. Oh god. They got lice now? They got like bird lice? That's saved, right? Yeah, okay. There's no reason not to have him on max. I turned him down because of the problems with that first recording of mine with the, well, basically snapshotting. Trust me, it's just better if we don't fight. Like, I'm really strong, and if we, ooh, yeah, there's no, wow, what a trooper, just. Come on. Yeah, just get up. Sir! What an asshole. You know, I'm pretty sure there's something over here, but, like, I don't really care enough to find out. Just boom. That should give me enough weight. Hell yeah. Wait, what? Yeah, that's fine, right? I mean, it's not optimal. Can you just... No. No! I was bamboozled! Haha! Stabbed you in the fucking kidneys. How do you like that, you little bitch? You want to give him the old sneaky beaky? Nope, okay. We'll just bum rush him instead. Stop polluting! Shot to the heart! You... That motherfucker just laughed at me. Butt stab! Got him right in the butthole. Bop! Nope, shit. Okay. It was a prank. It was a prank, bro. Psych! Got him! Something's over here. Huh. Whatever. Oh! I'll just get that after I kick this person's ass. Well, come on out. Don't be shy. I'm only gonna kill you. No. Everyone knows your blade needs to have two sides to be worth a shit. Go away. Did you just fucking... No! That was rude. Gotcha. Oh. Dyed my feet. Thank you. Thank you. I'll cherish that for like 2 minutes. Joking. I'm never gonna use that. Not in this household. This is a longsword household. And longswords are the key. Those are fun, if I remember correctly. Right. Well, those are actually a lot better than the... They're not that much better, but... Well, they're like 0.5% weight, so we'll go with that. Alright, I gotta change the hat. That hat is just goofy. You know what? Here's what we'll do. We'll take off the hat. And we'll put the best armor we have, which is... It's definitely the northern armor. Although, the gloves aren't actually better than the brigand, which is weird. Why is the brigand better that way? Huh. Alright. That's alright, it doesn't matter. We looking good anyway. We looking good. We looking real stylish. Waha! No? But, what? Oh, yeah. Oh. I believe there was stuff up here, so... I'll just make it so. Check. Tit shards. Love me some tit shards. Oh, okay. Alright, alright, alright. So I was reading earlier, and there was definitely some complaints about Ashes, the DLC. There we go. Got rid of him. Pull out the shield again. Come on, come on. Longswords. They are the key. Okay. Can I just like... Alright, I'll just pull one of you. Not what I wanted to do, but... So violent. Just present your ass to me. That's fine. Watcha! Gotta get him with that jump stab, you know. It's for style, man. If you don't do it for style, then what is the point of living? Stop juking me! Ugh! Get dicked. It's honestly not even fair to these guys. See, they were expecting some average Joe Smo who's never played this before. But I've played this before once, and that obviously makes me a master of the game. Right, my waifu's down here.
Oh, hello. I am Anri of a This is Horrick. Are you too in search of the Lord? We are well along the road of beyond the flooded wood. We may go ask the next time we cross paths. May the flames guide you.
You talking shit? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? With your goofy ass gauntlets. I'm gonna hit up this shit. It's lit as fuck, fam. We'll just get rolling. Wait, let there be what? Let there be Covenantor. Ah, okay. I remember this part. This is where those assholes with the toothpicks are. Footsteps! Oh, it does so much! How do you have poise? You have no poise! You're literally wearing a cloth shirt! What the fuck, man? There's some freaky shit in this this forest, if I remember correctly. I'm gonna be a snapper. Boom. It was a good charge, friend. Good attempt. 10 out of 10. Oh, he juked me! No! Shit! At the knave! The other guy can just fuck off. Shroom Bros! They do something nasty if you let them attack. That's why you just like bum rush the shit out of them. Right. Take that, Toad. Oh yeah, because I'll definitely use that. It was a prank. It was just a prank. Ooh, you're a feisty little shit, aren't you? Shit! No, 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 no. Okay. Alright, alright. Alright, you chuckle fucks. Come on. You're right in the asshole. You're gonna be shitting out the side of your ass for a week. Oh, it was a trap! Oh no! Wow, who could have foreseen that? What is this? Are these trees just producing you guys? Are you like the tree's children or something? What the fuck, man? Burying is for bitches. Booyah. Real men just stab you in the asshole. What are you digging there, friend? Oh, did I interrupt you? I'm sorry, I just wanted to know what you were growing. Wahaha! Oh shit. That took so much stamina. If I remember correctly, there's a berserker down here. I think that's him over there. That? Yeah. Oh, that guy's creepy. At least I'm safe up here, where I can fight him like a little bitch. Haha. You like that, do ya? Alright, he's sufficiently weakened. Havachi! What a good, clean fight. That totally was not biased in my side at all. Aha, you thought you was gonna catch me sleeping. What's up with it? What's up with it? Oh, you can't butt stab these guys. Did you just try to bite me? You're an asshole. That's what you are. You're a massive asshole. Where's the big crab? Oh, I'm sure he's around here somewhere. Wait, there's a bonfire here? Ah, I see him. You see that? You see that crab there? Okay, we're gonna run back. I never knew this bonfire was here. I feel so fucking basic. Don't mind me, just casually plugging my headset in. Because I don't know how to properly charge things. Boom. There we go.
You're an unkin? I am serious. Duties, I doubt we've much to... Blessing of them.
All up on the moon. I'm a sun bro, bitch! I'm a sun bro! You coming at me with that moon bitch shit? You're lucky I'm like really weak right now. I'd beat your ass.
Ashen Mun.
Kind of thinking about grabbing pyromancy, because like pyromancy is some cool shit. You know, you don't need a lot for it, but I need more tit shards. I can use the Uchi Katana now, if I wanted to be a total fucking weeb. Right, I want to upgrade my longbow. No, I don't. I want to save it. Oh, right. I got Estus Flushers. I want to save it. As much upgrades as I can until I get like a short bow. That's much more my style. Alright, that's all we got.
I want as promised, but careful you don't.
Kill yourself. They're very good against magic, but not so good against physical.
Do not be gone for long.
Yeah. Kiss my ass. Waifu!
Welcome home, Ashen One. Very well, then take...
Ah, yes. Your hand, please. You know, I'm gonna get him to 20, and then I'm gonna start working on vitality so I can carry more.
Farewell, Ashen One. May the flame...
Yep. Who else do I have? No, I think I'm good here. No bone shards. So, next time, we're gonna stab more shit in the face. Sounds good to me? Sounds good to you? Sounds good to you? It's good. Catch you guys later.